A recent survey by Salary.com shows the average stay-at-home mom would make about $112,000 a year based on her workload. Danielle Leroy says she's worth it.
You wear a lot of hats. You clean the house, cook the meals, maybe, educate the children, or at least, be involved in their education if you're taking them to school.
Leroy is a stay-at-home mom and a work-at-home mom. She does legal work for a real estate company, and she homeschools her 2 children.
We actually kind of do a Montessori-inspired approach. There's a lot of free play. And my husband and I put a lot of thought into what they're allowed to play with, what they're allowed to watch.
But for many women, staying home is not an option.
The majority of American families depend on 2 incomes. So if you don't have a partner who makes enough money to maintain you, you will have to work. That's the reality.
Dr. Daniela Schreier says moms who do work from home must stake out their space.
A couple of things: if you have a house office, treat it like your job. You have to actually close your door and say from 8 to 12, I'm not available because I'm on conference calls and I'm doing my job.
Doing the job is more than it seems. Leroy says for women, staying at home is about leadership.
She is the household. I really think she sets the tone. She keeps it. I mean, the queen of the house.
For Leroy, Queen Bee is a nice job title, even if it doesn't come with a 6-figure salary. Veronica Smith, Northwestern News Network.